Hello everyone, welcome to Shah the Cook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make saffron tea or Kesar ki chai. This tea has an amazing flavor and aroma of saffron. For this, you require 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of tea leaves, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, pinch of saffron threads, 2 cardamom. Let us start by adding 1 cup of water. Let the water boil. Next we're going to crush the cardamom pods. Water is boiled. Let's add in our cardamom. Pinch of saffron. Allow the aroma and the superb flavor of the saffron to develop. Next we're going to add tea leaves. Now let it brew and boil until it gets a very nice golden color. Now we're going to add milk. Lastly, we're going to add sugar. Now let it completely boil. It is bubbling, so we're going to just lower the flame so that it does not overflow. Let it simmer for a minute. The tea is ready. Turn off the flame. Strain the tea. Relax with your family and friends and savor this drinking experience. Enjoy. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.